Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Hetal's Cornerstone. So in today's video we will see record yourself saying the statement below in Duolingo English Test. So in this type of question they are checking your reading as well as speaking. So you have 20 seconds only to tend to answer. So within 20 seconds you have to read the statement and speak out loudly. So you can do practice at home for better pronunciation and better improvement. So I have provided one detailed video regarding this type of questions. So I will provide you this link in the description box so you can check out the rules and regulation and how you can do in the examination. So let's check out in this video with one by one all these statements. First one is that record yourself saying the statement below. So you have a 20 seconds. So you have to read the sentence in your mind. Do you have a map of the city? Because your pronunciation must be clear. Your spelling, grammar must be clear. Right? So let's do it. So speak loudly. Do you have a map of the city? Next one. See you next week. So you have to read and give your answer within a 20 seconds. So I think so 20 seconds are much more enough for recording, right? So this one is see you next week. Next, what is your name? Another one, yes, I am going to eat. Next, we have no time to waste. So in this way you have to pronounce quickly and perfectly. Next one. So day by day the Duolingo test is being tougher, so you have to prepare hard also. This statement is how long have you been working here? So you don't have to misspell something else or you have to forget have you been working here. So you have to pronounce specifically, perfectly how long have you been working here. Next one. Are there any rules I should know about? Right. Are there any rules I should know about? Let me see if I understand this. Let me see if I understand this. This way you have to record perfectly. Next. That sounds great. It's 10:15. They are asking this type of timing also. So I will put that link also in the description box. So you can check out all the timing, how you can spell, how you can speak timing in English. Right. Next one. He got the life imprisonment. He got the life imprisonment. So you must know the perfect pronunciation of the imprisonment also. Next, the book is selling like hot cake. Okay, the mango is overripe. Next one. Last one is necessity never made a good bargain. Necessity never made a good bargain. So you must know proper pronunciation like a bargain, necessity, this way. So what you can do, read a short sentences and how you can build your confidence. So you can take the mirror. Everyone is having mirror in their home. So in front of the mirror, you can speak little short sentences. You can pick one magazine also, storybook also, whatever the book you English book you are having, and speak loudly so you can build your confidence and you will know in what are your pronunciation, how you can improve it, what is the way you can speak better. So they will check your reading skills, speaking skill as well as pronunciation skills. So that is a must thing to get a good marks. And what another thing is that you have to complete these sentences within a 20 seconds. So don't make a mistake and don't miss out anything because there is a no negative marking in this type of questions. So prepare well, concentrate in the exam, and be happy, be prepared well. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye now.